On Sunday 845 people went to zoo. On Monday 169 people went to zoo. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? ठीक है. On Sunday number of people went to the zoo. On Sunday number of people went to the zoo. Went to the zoo. That is 845. 845. Okay. On Monday, number of people went to the zoo. Number of people went to the zoo. To the zoo. How many?
Sir, 169.
169 people.
169 people. अब यहाँ पे इंक्रीज पीपल हो रहे हैं, डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं?
Sir, decrease हो रही है.
डिक्रीज नंबर ऑफ पीपल. How many?
845 minus 169.
Decrease number of people. 845 minus 169. Please tell me. 6. 676. Percentage of decrease. Decrease people upon original people into 100. Percentage decrease. Percentage decrease. Number of decrease 660. Original starting में संडे कितने के थे?
Sir, 845.
One total value.
Into 100 percentage. That is percentage. Okay. Yes.
Close to 80.
Yes. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 3.
5 4 are 20.
5 6 are 30. 5 9 are 40. Okay. 30.
Yes, sir.
50 degrees.
676 divided by 13. Please check it. 676. Yes. 26. 13 to 13. Okay. Now 13 52 होना चाहिए. चेक कीजिएगा. Okay.
Sir, 13 4 are 50.
Yes. 13 4s are 52. 80%. 80% decrease. Risho,
Sir,
80% decrease.
yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Sir, right, sir.
Yes.
Sir, maths करके yes, sir.
Yes. Now question number 4 is the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Okay. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairing. on its repairing. Yes. Question number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Okay. CP of an article. Yes. CP of an article. Rupees 15,500.
2000.
Yes. CP of an article 15,500. Okay. Yes. एक आर्टिकल है उसकी कॉस्ट है 15,500. ठीक है. अब उसकी रिपेयरिंग करवानी है. चलो मैंने क्या है एक आर्टिकल इससे ले लिया 15,500 रुपीज़. अब उसमें ये बोला थोड़े सा ऐसा डिफेक्ट है इसके अंदर, थोड़ा ठीक करवा लेना. चलो ठीक मैं करवा रहा हूँ. डिफेक्ट है उसके अंदर, पीस के अंदर थोड़ा सा, ठीक है ना. उसको मैंने ठीक करवाया तो उसके 450 रुपीज़ भी मैंने दिए. 15,500 रुपीज़ मैंने इसको दे दिए उस आइटम्स के, और 450 रुपीज़ मैंने क्या है उसको ठीक करवाने के लिए अपनी जेब से दिए उसको. टोटल कितनी परचेजिंग हुई? टोटल कॉस्ट तो मेरे जेब से गया ना. Yes. Spent on its repairing. Spent on its repairing. On its repairing. Repairing. Rupees
450.
450 rupees. Okay. 450 rupees. Total CP of an article. Total CP of an article. क्या करेंगे भाई?
Sir, 15,500 plus 400.
Sir, repairing plus normal cost.
ऐसो क्षितिज सुस्त पढ़ रहे हो? सुमित सिंह
Yes, sir.
ढीले पड़ गए हैं भाई? आर यू स्लीपिंग इन द क्लास?
Yes, sir. Sir,
15,500 plus 450. It becomes
15,900.
15,950. Am I right or wrong?
Sir, right.
Okay. Yes. And or all profit is 15%. उसमें भी क्या है, मेरे को 15% का प्रॉफिट होगा. ठीक है. उसमें क्या है,
Sir, इसी के 15,950 का
and sold on profit और 15%. 15% का क्या है प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगा उसका?
सर तो
उसको अगर बेचना हो तो सेलिंग प्राइस क्या है इसकी?
इससे कितने परसेंट हो रहे हैं?
प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज है यहाँ पे 15%.
सर 1590 पर 15,900. सर 15,950 upon 15 into 100.
Yes. CP is 15,900. Profit percentage 15%. You have to find out the
Sir, selling price.
selling price SP. Please tell me the formula.
Sir 15,900.
profit into CP upon 100
100 plus profit percentage. Very good. Into CP.
Then 100 plus profit percentage into CP upon 100.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Any not any problems? Yes. 100 profit percentage is
Sir 15%.
15%. 15. CP is 15,950. 400.
Sir, 115.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It becomes 150.
Yes, sir. 115 into 15,000 then 950 and 590 is there. Sir, 50,000
Sir,
900 cancel out.
900.
Sir, 950. Sir, 15,950.
Okay.
Sir, 120 cancel out, then divide by 5.
Yes. Please multiply it. 23 into 1,595. SP is
292.50.
yes. Do it.
Sir, scroll over.
Not 36,600.
Yes.
Five.
36,000
685.
divided by 2.
36,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 36,685.
Divided by.
Sir, and it is 18,342.50.
Yes. Do it. Please check the answer. Check the answer. Yes. Wait. Profit percentage 8. CP is 8,000 divided by 100. Yes, 108. 8,000. Yes, multiplied it. 8
Yes, sir. 8,600.
rupees. Yes. Total CP is total CP.
Sir, total CP is 8,000 plus 8,000.
Yes. Total CP is
8,640.
total CP is rupees 8,000. Okay. Rupees 16,000. Total SP. Yes. SP of
VCR.
VCR.
Sir,
Sir,
7,680. 7,680.
Sir, equal sign.
7,000
680.
Total.
plus
8,680.
Sir, that is 18,220.
88.
18,000.
18,000.
Sir, 18,220.
Okay. Yes. Now your CP is 16,000. Your SP is 18,220. There will be loss of profit.
Sir, profit.
Sir,
Okay.
profit.
How much?
Sir, 2,220.
Sir, that is not 18,000, that is 16,000.
16,220.
Bracket.
16,000.
16,320. check करो. हाँ 320. Yes. Now profit
Sir,
is
16,220.
Check it.
16,220.
profit is
Sir, 220.
320.
सर 320 होगा.
okay. Yes. Now profit is SP minus CP. Yes. SP is 16,320 minus 16,000. So it becomes
320.
rupees 320. Okay. Do it fast. Now your last is profit percentage. Profit percentage will be, please tell me. Profit percentage will be
सर प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज हो जाओ.
Then profit into 100 upon CP.
सर हम टोटल सीपी लेंगे ना.
total CP 16,000. Have you done?
Sir, 2%.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast.
Sir, 2%.
Sir, done.
2% आता है.
Therefore, profit into profit into 100 upon CP.
Yes, profit percentage is
Sir, 320.
ना.
इसी साथ.
Sir, 320.
Profit into 100.
upon CP.
Upon CP. Yes, sir. Profit into 100 upon CP.
Yes. Profit is 320.
Yes, sir. Into 100
CP
upon.
is 1600. 16,000.
Sir, CP into 100. Sir, 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा. Sir, 2/1.
2% profit.
This is 2%.
Profit.
Yes.
Sir, therefore we got profit. So please.